Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this Valentine's shaker card series. Today we are gonna make the fourth card and we are using vellum to make it. These days very many kind of vellum are coming, like printed, plain, and even some which are made by some brands. They also provide a matching vellum sheets. For example, the paper pack which I am using throughout this series is this is My Love from Get Inspired, the Adarkar Arts, and they also provide complimentary vellum sheets with this paper. So I have got 3 vellum sheets. One is this design, the other one is this one, if you can see, and one more is there, that is this one. How cute is this pattern? Okay, so I am gonna use this lady who is sitting on this parachute of balloons, and so I have cut this to 4.5 by 8, and according to this I am making the size of my card. So my card is measuring 9/1/4 by 8/1/4, and then I have scored it in half, that is 4 5 8 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 4 5 8. All right, and then folded it, scored it, and then what we need is some chipboard pieces. Just remember, with vellum, whenever you are using, you need a white base so that the design on the vellum is easily visible. If you use any dark paper below the vellum, it's not gonna show. For example, if I use this, the design is just hidden. Okay, so that's why I am using this white chipboard. If you don't have a white chipboard, you can use a gray chipboard and paint it white. Okay, and you can also use, I think you can use foam tape as well, because I have never tried the vellum with foam tape, but you can always give it a try. So let's just mark these chipboard pieces by putting it on your card, and I'm making some pencil marks, leaving some area like 1/16 of an inch from up and 1/16 inch from
seeing eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert.
Just while you're sticking it, try to keep the vellum straight so that there are no bubbles. Move your shaker so that this is completely flat and there is no warping of the vellum. Okay, so there we go, and that's our shaker. Okay, now to top this card, now we are gonna stick some golden foil mirror cardstock. I have cut these strips to, I have just cut this to the length like this. Okay, and then I have put this piece here. Okay, and then when we okay, let me show you with this piece. First I'm gonna just put this piece from here till here. All right, And then I'm just taking my pencil, and then I'll just see whatever length I want it to, for like here. Okay, and since when I'm putting this piece here like this, and where these 2 points are coinciding, I'm just making a mark like this, and then I'm gonna cut it from here till here like a slant. Okay, like this, and then I'm just gonna put it in place first, and then I'm gonna make a mark here as well, and then I'll take my this piece, and then I'm gonna cut it to where I have marked. Now after this I'm gonna put some tape at the back, and then I will
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing